Welcome back to our underwater expedition. Today, we're venturing into the shallow tropical waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans to meet one of the most extraordinary and surprisingly dangerous creatures on our planet, the blue-ringed octopus. In this episode of All Things Marine Life, we'll uncover the secrets behind their dazzling warning signals, their potent venom, their incredibly short lifespans, and the challenges these tiny cephalopods face in a changing world. So gear up and let's dive right in. Blue-ringed octopuses aren't just one single species. In fact, there's several recognized species within the genus Hapaloclena, including the greater blue-ringed octopus, the southern blue-ringed octopus, the blue-lined octopus, and the rare Hapaloclena neostrazi, only known from a few different specimens. While each species has unique patterns and slight differences in size and habitat preference, they all share the same signature electric blue rings or patterns that flash as a warning to predators and sometimes to curious humans. They're found in primarily shallow, warm coastal waters where they tuck themselves into nooks and crannies along coral reefs, tide pools, and seagrass beds. Blue-ringed octopuses inhabit a surprisingly broad region, from the coast of Australia to Japan, Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, the Philippines, Indonesia, and even Sri Lanka. However, their distribution is limited by their preference for shallow, relatively warm waters, generally depths under 20 meters or around 65 feet. This combination of a wide geographic range but a very specific habitat preference makes their actual living space more restricted than you might expect. You can often find them hiding in rock crevices, abandoned shells, coral rubble, or even discarded cans and bottles. This discreet lifestyle that they have keeps them safe from predators and often from our sight. If you've never seen a blue-ringed octopus before, you might be surprised to learn just how small they are. Adults typically measure just 4 to 10 centimeters or 1.5 to 4 inches in body length, about the same size as a golf ball, arms included. Don't let their tiny stature fool you though. Inside that miniature body lies some of the most potent venom in the animal kingdom. When they're calm, their skin is often a muted yellowish brown, making them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Only when threatened or agitated do their mesmerizing blue rings or patterns appear, pulsating with incredible speed. These flashes serve as nature's danger sign, and it's one that you do not want to ignore. Blue-ringed octopuses prey mainly on small crustaceans like crabs and shrimp, and occasionally small fish. Unlike some cephalopods that rely on speed, these octopuses often employ stealth and patience. They'll creep slowly towards their prey and then wrap their arms around it, preventing escape. After securing their meal, they deliver a venomous bite, injecting a toxin-laden saliva that can paralyze their victim almost instantly. This not only prevents the prey from struggling, but also makes it easier to consume. As a result, a hardened crab shell is no defense against a determined blue-ringed octopus. Blue-ringed octopuses are famous for their venom, but did you know that they actually use two types of toxin? One is for hunting, helping them to immobilize prey. The other, arguably more notorious, is a powerful neurotoxin used for defense. This venom is so potent that it surpasses that of most land animals, including some of the world's most venomous snakes. What's truly fascinating is how they produce this venom. The octopus itself doesn't manufacture all of it. Instead, it hosts symbiotic bacteria in its salivary glands. These bacteria generate tetrodotoxin, the same deadly compound found in pufferfish. Tetrodotoxin can cause muscle paralysis, respiratory failure, and can be lethal to humans if medical assistance isn't promptly provided. Currently, there's no known antidote for a blue-ringed octopus bite. Unlike many other octopuses out there, adult blue-ringed octopuses can't release ink to escape predators. Instead, their defense relies heavily on that unmistakable warning display. When threatened, they activate their bright rings within a third of a second, an astonishingly rapid signal. How do they do this so quickly? Their vibrant rings are typically concealed under folds of skin. To reveal them, the octopus simply contracts certain muscles to expose the bright blue iridescent patches. With its rings blazing, the octopus sends a clear message: back off or you'll regret it. Most predators and wise humans heed this warning. For all their ferocity, blue-ringed octopuses live surprisingly short lives, often less than 2 years. Mating is a brief, one-time affair that often spells doom for both parents. After mating, the female lays her eggs, potentially dozens, and then devotes herself entirely to their protection. For weeks to months, depending on the species, she cradles her eggs in her arms, never leaving them unguarded. During this entire brooding period, she will not eat. By the time the eggs hatch, the female is often so weakened that she soon perishes. The male's fate is typically just as grim. He usually dies shortly after mating. This sacrificial approach to parenthood is common among octopuses, making their short lifespans all the more poignant. The newly hatched juveniles must fend for themselves, inheriting their mother's potent venom right from the start. Despite their lethal reputation, blue-ringed octopuses are sometimes kept as exotic pets. This is both puzzling and problematic. Their short lifespan and extreme toxicity make them dangerous and challenging to care for. Many don't survive the journey from their natural habitat to the pet trade, and some of those do perish soon after, sometimes within weeks or days. Additionally, the pet trade, coupled with habitat degradation and climate change, raises concerns about wild populations. While official population data are scarce, marine biologists worry that growing demand and habitat loss could drive declines over time. For those who encounter a blue-ringed octopus in the wild, caution should always be the rule. Admire them from a safe distance. Look, but don't touch. Though rarely aggressive, blue-ringed octopuses pack a lethal punch when provoked. There have only been a few confirmed human fatalities over the past century, but even one is too many. With no known antidote, a bite can cause severe paralysis and respiratory failure within minutes. Quick response, artificial respiration, and immediate medical attention can be life-saving, but prevention is key. Never pick up or handle a blue-ringed octopus, no matter how tempting it is to get a closer look at those pretty blue rings. Current research aims to better understand blue-ringed octopus populations, their precise ranges, and their responses to environmental changes. Conservationists emphasize protecting coastal habitats, mangroves, coral reefs, and tide pools that these octopuses rely on. Maintaining healthy ecosystems helps safeguard not only these tiny cephalopods, but countless other marine species. For scientists, blue-ringed octopuses are also a source of endless fascination. Their unique symbiosis with venom-producing bacteria and their rapid, efficient warning displays can reveal new insights into animal communication, predator-prey relationships, and the evolution of toxins. From their subtle camouflage to their sudden bursts of color, from their microscopic venom factories to their delicate, self-sacrificing approach to parenthood, blue-ringed octopuses are a remarkable testament to nature's ingenuity. These tiny marvels remind us that some of the ocean's most intriguing stories are found in the smallest, most unexpected places. If you enjoyed learning about blue-ringed octopus, please give this video a like, share it with fellow ocean enthusiasts, and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating marine creatures. Let us know in the comments what animal you'd like to explore next. Thank you for joining us on this underwater journey. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring all things marine life.